Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Your smile is the first thing people notice about you, and it's a powerful tool for expressing joy, happiness, and confidence. But if you've ever struggled with yellow teeth, you know how frustrating it can be to feel self-conscious about your smile. Luckily, there's a simple, natural solution that can brighten and whiten your teeth without the use of harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. It's called Turmeric Teeth Whitener, and it's made with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Turmeric powder is the star of this recipe, and it's known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. To make the turmeric teeth whitener, simply mix together 4 tablespoons of dried organic turmeric root powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. Then, spread 2 teaspoons of the mixture onto your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Swish 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil in your mouth for another minute, spit it out, and rinse your mouth with water. Repeat this process several times a week for a couple of weeks, and you'll start to see amazing results. And don't worry about leftovers. You can store the remaining mixture in the refrigerator for a few days. With this natural teeth whitening recipe, you can say goodbye to yellow teeth and hello to a brighter, more confident smile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.